Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question 1. What dash you doing at 8 p.m. yesterday? A or B where C is? Question 2. She speaks English very dash. A, good. B, better. C, well. Question 3. I dashed my phone at home this morning. A, left. B, leaved. C, leave. Question 4. Which word means to begin? A, close. B, start. C, finish. Question 5. He was tired dash. He didn't sleep well. A, because. B, although. C, but.
Question 6. They dashed to Paris last summer. A, go. B, went. C, going. Question 7. Kind is the opposite of A, helpful, B, cruel, C, generous. Question 8. We must dash the rules. A, broke. B, follow. C, miss. Question 9. She dash never been to London. A, has. B, had. C, have. Question 10. The baby is afraid dash loud noises. A, of. B, on. C, at.
Question 11. Please dash the door when you leave. A, close. B, shooting. C, closes. Question 12. Which word means happy and satisfied? A, angry. B, proud. C, content. Question 13. We usually eat lunch at dash. A, noon. B, midnight. C, dusk. Question 14. I will call you when she dash back. A, come. B, come. C, coming. Question 15. Which is a synonym of difficult? A, easy. B, hard. C, plain. Question 16. The dog is barking dash to strangers. A, on. B, to. C, at. Question 17. My brother dashed a new car last week. A, buy. B, bought. C, buying. Question 18. I am interested dash learning French. A, to. B, for. C, in. Question 19. She looked dash the mirror. A, in. B, at. C, in. 2. Question 20. He works as dash engineer. A, B, and C, the. Question 21. Which word means quickly and without delay? A, slowly. B, immediately. C, softly. Question 22. We use a dash to cut paper. A, spoon. B, knife. C, scissors. Question 23. Where dash they go yesterday? A, did. B, does. C, do. Question 24. I don't know dash she lives. A, where. B, what. C, when. Question 25. Ali and Zara dash best friends. S, he is. B, or C, was I.
Question 26. The opposite of cheap is A, low, B, costly, C, small. Question 27. You dash finish your homework before playing. A, should. B, shall. C, will. Question 28. How dash milk do you drink daily? A, many. B, much. C, some. Question 29. I have lived here dash 5 years. A, since. B, for. C, by. Question 30. The bus arrives dash 7 a.m. A, at. B, in. C, on.
Question 31. Which word means not true? A, false. B, fair. C, full. Question 32. The children dash playing in the park. A, is. B, or C, was. Question 33. She sings dash than her sister. A, well. B, better. C, good. Question 34. My father dash watching TV. A, like. B, liking. C, likes. Question 35. We were surprised dash his reaction. A, from. B, by. C, of. Question 36. He speaks English more dash than me. A, fluently. B, fluent. C, fluently. Question 37. The sun dash in the east. A, rise. B, rises. C, rose. Question 38. Which is the synonym of angry? A, calm. B, mad. C, glad. Question 39. She dash cooking when I called her. A, is. B, was. C, has been. Question 40. The book is dash the table. A, at B, in C, on. Question 41. Dash, you like tea or coffee? A, did. B, do. C, does. Question 42. He never dashed late to class. A, is. B, or C, was. Question 43. Which word means helpful advice? A, opinion. B, suggestion. C, idea. Question 44. My phone battery is dash. A, died. B, dead. C, die. Question 45. We saw the children dash soccer. A, play. B, played. C, playing. Question 46. The room was cleaned dash a professional. A, by B, with C, from. Question 47. Which is the plural form of mouse? A, mouses. B, mice. C, mouse. Question 48. You should speak more dash during presentations. A, clearly. B, clear. C, cleared. Question 49. Sarah is dash than her brother. A, tall. B, taller. C, tallest. Question 50. I dash to the gym every day. A, go. B, goes. C, going.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye. Heh heh.